Okay, what's good? What's good, man? Welcome back to another video. It's Tuesday today. Wait, Tuesday? No, today's Wednesday. Losing track of my days. Yeah, thanks for tuning into a video, man. Heading to the gym. You know the usual. Driving the whip on this beautiful fall day. There's a lot of pretty colors out. So that's nice. I like that. It's one thing I love about Washington State is October here is a vibe. So anyways, it's leg day, so we're gonna go to the gym. Keep it pretty light. Focus on a lot of stretching, my lower back out. And yeah. But anyways, I'm coming up on needing to get an oil change for the car. And I'm thinking about replacing my oil pan at that time. So I gotta save up some money for that. That will be a little bit expensive, just a tad. That'll be okay. Better to be safe than sorry. Rather have a fresh and clean oil pan that does not have a time cert in it than a oil pan that does, and constantly worry about the bolt getting stripped and oil falling out. Okay, man, okay. This month has flown by. Just life in general is just flying, man. It goes by so quick the older you get. Before you know it, you'll be old like me. Wishing you started doing things that you enjoyed earlier in life and not waited. Hopefully not, though. Not that I'm full of regret, but I do wish I would have done things like started YouTube a little earlier on in life. But here we are, man. It's all good. We're gonna go get this workout in, stay healthy, stay happy, get some blood flowing. That's what life's all about. So, that's all for me, man. We reached 1,200 subscribers, by the way, a couple days ago. So I just want to say thank you for the support and, you know, the help and just me chasing my dreams, man. I'm very, very thankful for everybody that's joined the community, and man, I'm just excited to see where this channel goes. It's like we're entering the winter, and I'm like kind of wanting to hunker down a little bit, but I still want to get videos out as much as I can. So we'll see how consistent I can stay. It's all kind of like a work in progress here, you know, trying new things out. This is still very much new to me. So with that, man, I'll leave you to it. I appreciate you for watching. Like I said, drive safe out there, man. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.